So I spun a bearing on my hub, and we're the original one. The race is going to be too loose, so we got a oversized race, but it's skinnier. So we're having to machine it down so that this one will work. I'm over here at Dad's, trying to get the Jeep back on the road. So what's that piece out of, Dad?
1910 Timken Detroit rear end shim.
Grandpa and I bought a truck in 2001. It was a 99 crew cab, jacked up, total. We rebuilt the truck. I ran the truck for 2 weeks and didn't like the tires on the truck. I took the tires off in 2001, put them on these wheels and stuck them in the shop. And it's now what, 2017?
For what, 16 years?
16 years. So these tires have been sitting in that shop on that crew cab Ford since 2001.
When was the last time that crew cab Ford?
That crew cab Ford has not seen pavement for a long time.
Like 1980?
Like 1980.